Well, it's September again, and many of you may be excitedly returning to school for another academic year. If you haven't been cleaning your trumpet, and you haven't even taken it out of the case in the last 3 months, you may find that some parts of the instrument are not working exactly the way that they're supposed to. Never fear. In this video, we will discuss some of the frequently asked questions regarding what to do if your trumpet isn't working the way that you need it to, and ways to get it back to full working order.
Mr. Spellman, my mouthpiece is stuck in the trumpet. I mean, it's really stuck in there. How should I get it out?
Well, you shouldn't try to force the mouthpiece out, but you can order a mouthpiece puller offline or buy one at your local music store, if they still exist. This one is by Bobcat. I would do a tutorial on how to remove a mouthpiece, but if it's not obvious, you should probably just bring it to your band teacher or music teacher and have them remove it, or take it to a professional brass repair person to have them remove the mouthpiece.
Oh, okay. Well, also my tuning slide won't move. Should I just try to force it out?
No, if the tuning slide doesn't move, don't try to force it out yourself. Instead, bring it to a professional brass repair person and have them take a look at it. If necessary, you may have to send it out to be repaired, and in the meantime, you might just have to rent a horn or borrow one from the school.
Yeah, okay, but what if I call my really strong friend Billy and he pulls on one side and I pull on the other side until it just pops out?
Nope, if you recklessly try to pull the slide out, it's very possible that you will break the braces and just pull the trumpet right in half.
Well, but what if I take my trumpet and put a stick through this part and then...
No, you should definitely take it to a repair person who knows how to fix the slide.
Oh, okay, well, okay, Mr. Spellman, but also, none of the slides move, and the valve caps won't come off, and the valves won't move at all. Is it okay if I force any of that stuff?
No, you should definitely take it to a repair person.
Okay, I feel where you're coming from, but I feel like I could get those valve caps off if I just really went to town on them with my dad's wrench.
Nope, you should definitely take it to a professional repair person. They know how to fix this without doing any damage to the rest of the horn.
Yeah, are you sure though? Because I really feel like I could get those valves going if I could just take a good swing at them with this hammer.
Nope, definitely don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay, well, what if I just cut the trumpet in half and then have my dad just solder it back together?
No. No! Don't try to fix it yourself. Take it to a professional brass repair person. Either take it to the shop and have them fix it, or have them send it out to somebody else who can fix it. They're not going to pull the horn apart. They're not going to scratch the thing up. They're not going to dent the bell. They're not going to lose the parts. There's no problem. They know how to fix this. These are professionals. They're going to take all the slides out. They're going to undo the valve caps. They're going to lubricate the whole thing, clean it all out, and send it to you in a couple of weeks. It's going to work great. It's going to be no problem. And then all you have to do from there is go back and watch my trumpet cleaning video, learn how to clean the trumpet yourself, go through, make sure you take care of it, and then it should never be a problem. The thing will play smooth forever until next September. All right? Send your horn to the repair guy if it's not working. This has been Bobby Spellman for Spellman Music Studios. All right, well, have a great year.
Well, you know, I bet I could get the valves to work if I really just hit it with this hammer as hard as I could.
Oh no.